In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a job opening in Zoho Recruit. Deleting a job opening is a simple process, but it's important to do it correctly so you don't remove the wrong listing by mistake. I'll walk you through each click on the screen and also share a few quick tips to keep your data safe and organized as you go. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Recruit account and that you have the right permissions to manage job openings. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top of the page for the tab labeled Job Openings. This is usually located in the main navigation bar. Click on Job Openings to open the list of all active and inactive positions in your account. Give the page a moment to load so that all the records display correctly. Next, you'll see a table containing your job openings, with each row representing a different position. On the left side of each job opening, there is a small checkbox. Find the job opening that you want to delete, and carefully click the checkbox beside that specific listing. Take a second to double check that you've selected the correct job title, especially if you have similar or duplicate roles in your system. Once the job opening is selected, move your attention toward the right side of that same row. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options or Actions menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a small drop-down menu with several actions you can perform on that job opening. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Delete. Click on Delete to start the removal process for the selected job opening. Depending on your Zoho Recruit settings, you may see a confirmation pop up asking you to confirm that you want to delete this record. This is your chance to review your choice one last time. If everything looks correct and you're sure you no longer need